pageant.
Tunaya Miss California.
Everything else.
She's so cute, and this is her whole family. And then one brother, two brothers, mom and dad. Everybody dressed the same, and she's so beautiful. It's a beautiful family. Oh, so I'm gonna close up on her. So what's your name? Alana. Okay, Achimu, Lumali follow me here. So what's her title again?
It's Miss California Junior Elementary.
Oh, Miss California.
Elementary.
Oh, where are you guys from?
We're from Lincoln, California, from Sacramento area.
Oh, nice. Okay, go take a picture with her. Achimu, let it lala. Congratulations, my dog, and Donna, and Kashia.
I know, and I know you too.
Oh, you're so pretty.
Okay.